PM Modi has a big message for the Maharashtra voters. He has appealed to voters to come out in large number. He has posted on X saying आज महाराष्ट्र विधानसभा चुनाव में सभी सीटों के लिए वोट डाले जाएंगे. राज्य के मतदाताओं से मेरा आग्रह है कि वे पूरे उत्साह के साथ इसका हिस्सा बने और लोकतंत्र के उत्सव की रौनक बढ़ाए. इस अवसर पर सभी युवा और महिला मतदाताओं से अपील है कि वो बढ़ चढ़कर वोट डालें. So he has said that vote will be casted on the seat of Maharashtra Assembly, and he has urged the voters of the state to be a part of it with full rigor. Let me go across to my colleague Shivani Mishra, who joins us live in the broadcast. Shivani, every election Prime Minister gives out this message of pehle Matdan fir Jalpan, first vote and then go about your day. Similar message has been given this time as well. He has urged the voters to come out in full numbers with full rigor as well.
Well, definitely Prime Minister himself, even while conducting, rallies in Maharashtra or in other states as well, he requests voters to come out. And again, through the platform of social media, every early morning we have seen that during the election days, he comes out and requests people to become the voter and choose their future leader. But here also, interestingly, we have seen that how a number of rallies the Prime Minister conducted in the state of Maharashtra. He actually rallied for every candidate here, and common bigger rally also took place where Prime Minister had given key issues in front of people and has convinced them that what all work has already been done and what all are being done for them in future, and what all are the plans for the future of Maharashtra. And now when Prime Minister has requested, we are already seeing pictures coming out from different polling center as well, that how people are turning early morning voter. They are coming on the roads and streets and are requesting others as well to vote. But here, Akanksha, you will see that how senior citizens are coming ahead and they want to vote for the youth as well. And of course, there is key issues remains that there is a national picture, the national leader that they are looking up to, but the issues remain local and they want to get it clear as soon as possible. And henceforth, the belief of people is to come ahead and first vote and then move ahead for their local routine otherwise. So now we are seeing a larger number of voters coming up in the early morning. But again, to talk about city area, the urban areas in Maharashtra, the voting percentage always remains less. Even we talk about Mumbai, then too it is nearby 50 to 48% voting shift that we have seen in the year 2019 as well.
Right. During the legislative assembly election, but this time as well we are expecting that there will be more number of voter turnout that will come ahead because there are large number of youths, those are turning first time voters as well during this election. Even during Lok Sabha election some months back, we have seen that how a large number of people had come, the percentage had increased a bit. So we are expecting the same to happen.